This is Sheris Michelson. Today we'll learn how to achieve maximum physical appeal using facial divisions. According to science, symmetry equals physical attractiveness. So if your facial features are evenly spaced and look in proportion with one another, you'll appear more attractive. For maximum physical appeal, the face should be divided into equal horizontal thirds. 1/3 is measured from your hairline to the base of your eyebrows. Another third is measured from your eyebrows to the base of your nose. And the last third is measured from the base of your nose to the tip of your chin. The balanced face can also be divided vertically into 5 equal divisions that are the width of one eye. 1. From the hairline to the outer corner of your right eye. 2. From the outer corner of your right eye to the inner corner of your right eye. 3. From the inner corner of your right eye to the inner corner of your left eye. 4. From the inner corner of your left eye to the outer corner of your left eye. 5. From the outer corner of your left eye to the hairline. Your nostrils should be about the same width as the length of one eye, and your lips should be no wider than the spacing from the inner corner of one of your eye's irises to the other. Take a photo of your face without tilting your chin up or down and observe your facial divisions. If any area is out of balance, choose the appropriate cosmetic techniques to create more balance for your face to maximize your physical appeal. See you in the next video.